Where it is very important to drag the attention of citizens, attention of authorities, attention of decision makers, municipal corporations, our corporators, MLAs, MPs, that taking this challenge seriously, because we are one of the greatest taxpayers. We are the biggest contributors to the Indian economy, but we are the least receivers from the government. So looking at this, when Jal Shakti Abhiyan started, an initiative with water management in mind by Honorable Prime Minister, the lot of people among Rotarians, among social workers, they had been writing to the government on what we should do. And that was the time there were certain do and do not list was made for different districts, different cities, where we need to work together. And everything is possible when we have citizens participation, and that is how new innovations were tried, because every time we go on the conventional way, things will not work. I'm very happy that today, if I talk about Mumbai, there are great projects happening, and I'm sure in next 2 to 3 years there won't be any waterlogging in the city. First, I like to talk about the best decision made by BMC in this difficult time. In the BMC budget, they have allotted 1800 crores to deepen all the stormwater drains which is under the footpath of Mumbai. So thank you so much, BMC, again for taking this suggestion and this innovation of making all the stormwater drains deep. And it is not just deep, but after performing percolation test, there are percolation pits made inside the stormwater drain, so that when the rain comes, we catch the rain inside the soil. And it is not just for the BMC, but also for all of us to understand that mechanism, and where we can do it in our societies, in our clubs, in our work areas, because that will transform the way we are looking at water. Second, thank you, BMC, once again for giving us the best quality of municipal water across the nation. Their efficiency is 99.39%, which is beyond acceptable limits. Beyond in the sense, I never thought that a municipal corporation can give us that quality of water to us. Great work done by BMC, but sometimes we have water shortage. That's the problem we need to address. We are wasting 29% of the drinking water just in flushing the tanks, which is a painful thing, because in most of the world, in most of the advanced cities, I'm not talking about comparing with Singapore or Tokyo or Netherlands, but let's even talk about small mid-segment cities like Kuala Lumpur and these kind of places, not the group A, but the group B cities. Even they have realized that the drinking water should not be part of your flush water. And unfortunately, in Mumbai, we are flushing 29% of the drinking water every morning. That's a crime. So I don't want to talk about too much about how much I know, but I want to show you two simple innovations today, and where I need all of your help to implement it through your clubs, in your house, and as much as possible. And they are two greatest innovations, because of which I got a lot of recognition from everyone. And it is not too much of cost, but it is just time that is needed. So I need the permission to share my screen for a short 5-6 pages of PPT. Host disabled. So let me know when I can do this.
Okay, 1 minute.
I want to show you a few photographs of what we are doing and what we can do individually
So you
or
are
as a group.
co-host now. You can
Yeah.
share your screen.
So this will help us in a very smart manner. Yeah, so many clicks, and I click on share, and I hope my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes.
So yeah, these are not important. They're like different campaigns we are trying to be part of and educating students, going to the masses as much as possible. As I said in short, this is the very place where
Yes, sir.
we feel droughts, and the very place where we have a lot of floods. So that's what we are trying to address, that why at the very same spot we have two different situations. Let me not get into all this. This I have already explained, that we are wasting a lot of water, that we need to be careful. This is the understanding we need to have on soil. The purpose of soil is not just constructing things on it, but it helps to catch the rain. Whenever there is monsoon, water plays a very important role when it penetrates into the ground. It is not just for our drinking purpose, but also for the trees that are surviving, also for the birds who get insects from the grasses that is around us. It is helping us in controlling the floods because it seeps all the water possible. Now if you go out in the summers, at even April, I should not call it as summers, but if you go to the roads, it is so hot you cannot walk in the afternoon because the topsoil, there is no water, there is no moisture, it is so hot. The surface temperature is too high, and for Mumbai the surface temperature has already increased by 6 degrees, which is too much. So that's what we need to work on, and that's why we need to work on our surface level, which is very much easy for us. And the biggest challenge we have, we all know, is because of the concretes, because of all the tiles, all the roads, all the paver blocks we have put. हम लोगों ने कोई भी जगह खुला नहीं छोड़ा है, and that's the problem, and हमें वो जगह खुला करना पड़ेगा. So I don't want to get into technicalities right now. This is what we need to promote, is to catch the rain by rainwater harvesting. Harvesting is not just all about reusing the water, but also allowing the water to penetrate into the ground. So as you simply see, the rainwater is coming on the terrace through the help of a pipe. Obviously, it comes down. Till here, we always have a pipe which is collecting all the terrace water. We just need to put a small extension and take it 10 feet away from the building wall and make a percolation pit so that the water penetrates into the ground. And that's what we need to do in every housing society, every premises. If there is a terrace, if there is a building, the water is definitely coming down, and we have to connect the terrace water into a, divert it into a percolation pit. And that's the very objective of today's session, where we are trying to show a few photographs and illustrations how we collect the rainwater and reuse it. We collect the rainwater and divert it into a bore well or a tube well or a pond around you, or at least allow the water to penetrate into the ground. So this is a small glimpse of 18,000 wells we have in Mumbai. First priority should be to divert the rainwater into these wells, which is quite easily available. If you go to the nearby BMC office, they can give you the map of the ward and you can work on it by diverting it. We have a lot of bore wells around. As for the government records, we have more than 23,000 bore wells inside Mumbai. It is about a small bore well. It is a pump. It is a pipe which goes into the ground. We take out the water and use it for non-drinking purpose, most of the places. There we need to create a percolation pit. How it works is the bore well, this is the pipe we have. Around that, we make a 10 feet by 10 feet pit, 10 feet deep, and fill it up with stones. You can have a bigger stones at the bottom, coal, smaller stones, and sand. This is how a percolation pit works. Here we are not talking about drinking the water because we have very good supply from BMC, but at least if we allow the water to penetrate into the ground, we get all the benefits that possible. This is a usual scenario which we want to do. Catch the water, let it go into the ground. You put a bore well, take out the water and use it for everything possible under non-drinking purpose. That's what we want to promote. This is one jugaad I want to show immediately because of all the paver blocks being not allowing the water to penetrate. Please make sure that henceforth, when you install paver blocks, please put some holes into it. There are paver blocks and tiles available which are having gaps, which will allow the rainwater to penetrate into the ground. If it is a tree, please make sure there is 3 feet by 3 feet space for the water to penetrate as well as the roots to breathe, because currently the roots are not breathing, and that's a very big challenge. This is roadside percolation pit. Whenever there is a road, if there is a percolation pit on both sides, it will absorb water. Road will be maintained, road will be thanda. It will not heat up, and it will help in groundwater recharge. The trees will also survive, and that's one of the biggest reasons, because we don't have this percolation areas both sides of the road. The trees are falling, it's the heat, it is so hot that it's difficult to manage. And that's the challenge of Mumbai. So specific to Mumbai, I am trying to make this presentation. Even when we go for a walking, the walking belt is so concretized, it's not good. In the gardens, we can have these kind of tiles, which are very much available. It will keep your shoes clean, and you can easily enjoy a beautiful walk. This is not a photograph from somewhere different planet, but it's from Mumbai, and I hope you can identify this place, because once you go there, you will see how beautiful it is. Just small example how to make a parking lot which will absorb water. And these are like international different photographs. They looked the car was looking very beautiful, so I put it here. So a very beautiful parking lot which we can think of.
Beautiful girl also.
Let us offline. So now this is something which is really appreciated. We don't expect people to break all their paver blocks, but you can definitely spend 200 rupees, hire a drill machine for a day, and ask the drill guy to make holes at paver blocks and tiles which is in your housing society, and the hole should be 10 feet away from the main building wall. Just remember one thing, standard protocol. The holes in the tiles can be made, this will be 2 feet deep holes, and this will be 10 feet away from the main building wall. This will very much solve the problem of waterlogging, and it will allow the rainwater to penetrate into the soil. So whenever you see monsoon, it has begun, after the first shower, you will see a lot of puddles happening. And if it is 10 feet away from your building wall, go for this technique. This is economical, doable, and most easy to implement. Thank you so much. Try this. I'm grateful to BMC for implementing this. As I said, 1800 crore is a lot of money, and that's what we are doing right now. Rainwater from the terrace, from the housing societies, from the school colleges, from the office premises, or from the fields, it's all going to the stormwater drain. Usually stormwater drain is only a fresh water drain which is active during the monsoon for the water to move out of the city. So now we need to catch the rain. This is a stormwater in speed breaker, you can say. We make a small percolation pit here, let the water come and go into the pit. And if the water is the quantity of water is huge, if it is possible, under the road, we can have a ring well that you see here, beautifully made. And from the percolation pit to the ring well. Ring well is exceptional. It is additional thing which goes under the private roads of housing societies or under the main road which we have made by BMC. Under that we make it. But at least percolation pit we can easily make, and the cost of this percolation pit is only 2000 rupees per pit. 4000 rupees for 2 exits. Most of the housing societies are having 2 exits of stormwater drain. Every housing society can definitely allow 2 percolation pits and spend 4000 rupees. That's not a huge amount, and that is as good as a pocket money for them. Please try to implement this. This is the live how it looks. Just get a labor. These stormwater drains are usually farthest from the main building wall. They are the other side of they're usually next to the boundary wall of your society. Make a pit. Start 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 steps are the most easiest way to do it. 5th and 6th, that's a typing error. So 5th and 6th you can ignore, because 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th is good. First, you make a pit. 2nd, make it clean. 3rd, put all the construction debris that is available around us. 4th, choti wali peanut gittiyan, the peanut stones. You put it on the top, it looks beautiful, and you're done. Water will come, penetrate into the soil as much as possible. The excess water will flow ahead, as it is happening right now. So this is where I need your help to implement. These are the same thing done by BMC. Thank you so much for installing this to control floods. The same thing has been shown in a different way, where from the left, the water is coming, the brown area, the water is penetrating, the excess water goes into the ring well. Very easy. This is also one of the examples which we are trying to show. Let us ignore this. So this is how the cross section will look, where water comes into the storm water drain and it slowly penetrates through the rocks into the soil. That's what we need to create. That is the easiest way to do. Few places we have large storm water drains. These are usually a meter wide. This is what we are doing with the help of BMC on the roadside. The big one we are trying to make big holes, 6 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet, 20 feet, holes into the ground, put this pipe as a protective layer and allow the storm water to penetrate into the ground. This is done after soil testing and percolation test. Very easy to do and excellent work is happening. So this is also one of the things you can do in your housing society, and per pit is not costing more than 500 rupees, just for FYI. So you can have 10 of them, 20 of them with the help of just a drill machine and the work is done. This is how it looks. The terrace water is coming down, flowing on the storm water drain, getting into the pit. Another after 10 meters, you have one more pit and you can replicate as many number of pits you want to make as a percolation support. This is the same innovation in a bigger way where we are allowing the water to percolate into the ground and putting a drum in the center so that more rainwater can catch, can hold for a while, and the soil will get more time to absorb the water. So we put a drum like this with a lot of holes around. ये थोड़ा excitement में मैंने ज़्यादा ही hole बना दिए हैं. Even if you put 50 hole, that is enough. इसमें तो कम से कम 400 घंटे लग रहे हैं. 50 holes are enough, and just catch the rainwater into it. So I'll show you again. I apologize for my bad drawing sense. छत का पानी नीचे आया, blue color का पानी है. I'll show it. It goes into this blue drum. There are stones around. The water penetrates into the stones, and through the stones it goes into the soil, and that's what it hardly takes 5 to 6 hours to absorb 1 lakh liter of water. So every week it will take at least 5 lakh liters of water into the ground, subject to the soil conditions. क्योंकि कुछ जगह हमारे यहाँ पहाड़ बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, lot of tekeries and lot of hills that we are staying, वहाँ percolation is not that great, but in the plain areas, in Thane region, in Virar, Vasai, all these areas, percolations are much stronger and बहुत अच्छा percolate हो पाता है. So इसी को मैं और डिफाइन करके और रिफाइंड करके बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. दिस इज व्हाट इज बीन डन बाय लॉट ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड एनजीओज, वेयर water conservation is not just during rainy season but also during summers. This is the time where we can catch all the washing, in the sense इसमें जो washing लिखा है, that is all about kitchen water, especially non-detergent, और bath water. जब हम fresh water का bath लेते हैं, not every time we use detergents and sabun and shampoos. We can collect that water into a drum, use it. You take the water after basic filtration and use it for gardening purpose. पोछा लगाना हो, टॉयलेट में दोबारा आप इसको reuse कर सकते हैं, and additional water will be diverted into a percolation pit. This is costing not more than 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees, क्योंकि पाइपिंग में थोड़ा ज्यादा खर्चा हो जाता है. कभी कभी एक बार होता है यहाँ पे ड्रम मत रखो, ये पार्किंग एरिया है, सो पाइपिंग में थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट जाते हैं. अदरवाइज इट्स 10 से 15,000 रुपए के बीच में आपका ये इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा, and it will be really easy. Thank you so much for listening to me. Water is much more than we think of. आज भी मुंबई में day before yesterday I saw a photograph जहाँ टैंकर के बाहर लेडीज एंड बच्चे हाथ में टम्बलर लेके खड़े हुए हैं. Remember one thing, the people who are worst affected due to water shortage is the ladies of the house and the kids. क्योंकि ये unfortunately or fortunately I don't know, this is the thought process of India कि पानी is a matter which needs to be managed by the ladies from the homemakers. ये लड़कों का काम नहीं है. I don't know, I really wish कि ऐसा उल्टा हो कि अब से लड़के खड़े रहेंगे, पानी इकट्ठा करते रहो, जब टैंकर आएगा या बीएमसी का टैप में जब पानी आएगा. Still there are thousands and thousands of families in Mumbai जो सुबह सुबह लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं पानी कलेक्ट करने के लिए, and which is a shame on us. मैं आप सबसे आज इसलिए आया हूँ यहाँ पे कि आप सबसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर सकूं that please, at least हम लोग सब मुंबई में हैं. It is very easy for us to identify those pockets जहाँ पानी की अभी भी शॉर्टेज है. लोगों को सुबह सुबह बकेट लेके ड्रम लेके खड़े रहना पड़ता है. Let us work towards it. आपके सोसाइटी में आसपास बहुत सारे स्लम्स हैं. I should not be using this word slums, but yeah, they are temporary settlements जहाँ पे BMC is not yet gone into providing water, but water is a basic need जिसको इतना commercialize कर दिया गया है कि एक प्यासे को पानी भी पीना हो तो 20 रुपए खर्चा करना पड़ता है। अभी बताइए माइग्रेंट्स अब फिर से घर जाना शुरू कर दिए हैं, रोड में जितने भी प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं सब में पानी का बॉटल बंद हो गया है। ऐसा कितने स्टेशंस हैं जहां पानी पीने का अरेंजमेंट नहीं है। हाउ आर दे गोइंग टू इवन हैव वाटर? फूड, क्लोथिंग एंड शेल्टर के पहले पानी आता है। दुश्मन को भी हम लोग पानी पिलाते हैं। घर में कोई आया पहले ये पूछते हैं भाई पानी लोगे कि नहीं, चाय कॉफी तो बाद में होती है। सो लेट अस टेक सीरियसली अबाउट, लेट अस टेक द वर्ड वाटर एंड रेस्पेक्ट इट एंड लेट अस हेल्प पीपल, ताकि एटलीस्ट पानी फ्री में रह सके। लेकिन अगर आप कैलकुलेट करना शुरू करेंगे आज इस समय बैठ के, ईच वन ऑफ यू, वी हैव 31, आप कैलकुलेट कीजिए कि आपका मंथली वाटर एक्सपेंस कितना है, आपके सोसाइटी का पानी का बिल कितना है। मैंने अभी देखा, हमारा ऑडिटेड मार्च था, ऑडिटेड रिपोर्ट आया है, 13 लाख रुपए का हम लोगों ने वाटर टैक्स पे किया है बीएमसी को। एंड व्हाट इज दिस? इट्स अ गॉड्स गिफ्ट। किसी ने कुछ बनाया? कुछ नहीं किया। दे आर जस्ट कैचिंग द वाटर एंड गिविंग इट टू अस इन अ पाइपलाइन एंड दे आर टेकिंग सो मच ऑफ मनी। Distillery people, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to use the word of brands का नाम नहीं use करना चाहिए। Packed drinking water companies and brands, they are collecting the water and selling it to us। टैंकर का पानी हमारे घर में आ रहा है। वाटर प्यूरिफायर्स लोग घर में आके मशीन 10, 20, 25 हजार रुपए का मशीन लगा के जा रहे हैं। दे आर फूलिंग अस समवेयर। आज हम पानी के लिए पैसा दे रहे हैं, कल हमें सांस के लिए भी पैसा देना पड़ेगा। आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, ये डायलॉग आपने बहुत सुना होगा। आज जल शक्ति अभियान हो रहा है, कल आप सुनेंगे कि एयर अभियान शुरू होगा। इट इज मेक आवर एयर फ्री। तो प्लीज, इट इज अ वेरी सीरियस इशू। आई मे नॉट बी अ वेरी गुड स्पीकर एंड बहुत अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर पाऊँ, बट ये छोटे बेसिक जुगाड़ हैं, इनोवेशन से अगर हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए आपके हेल्प से, एक प्रोजेक्ट भी हम कर पाए आपके हेल्प से, इट विल बी अ बिग 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 हेल्प टू मैनकाइंड। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर listening to me.
So Subhajit, can you talk 2-3 minutes about tree plantation also, or
I think आज मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया है। Trees are, we all understand trees are important and मुंबई में जगह की कमी है। Again, thank you to Rotary Club, उनके हेल्प से हमने कांदीवली में मिनी फॉरेस्ट बना रहे हैं, डेंस फॉरेस्ट बना रहे हैं। इट्स ऑल्सो नोन एज मियावाकी फॉरेस्ट। हम लोग एग्जैक्ट मियावाकी फॉरेस्ट बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है। मुंबई के नीड के हिसाब से वी जस्ट नीड टू वर्क ऑन द सॉइल क्वालिटी। हमें मट्टी खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है। इफ वी ऐड राइट काइंड ऑफ मिनरल्स, राइट काइंड ऑफ प्रोटीन, आयरन जो डेफिशिएंसी हो गया है सॉइल के अंदर, हम रेत में भी पेड़ उगा सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू सो मच। मियावाकी टेक्निक जिसके हेल्प से बहुत सारा काम रोटेरियंस ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं एंड आप लोगों के हेल्प की जरूरत है। आई, विद द हेल्प ऑफ मिलिंद सर, वी वांट टू मेक 5 मिनी फॉरेस्ट इन मुंबई। आप हमें 1000 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया दीजिए, रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज ऑन मी, माई पीपल विल कम। एंड आपके तरफ से 2 वॉलंटियर्स चाहिए जो इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने में हेल्प करेंगे। ऑल द मटेरियल्स विल बी प्रोक्योर्ड बाय अस, बाय मिशन ग्रीन मुंबई, बिकॉज महिंद्रा लॉजिस्टिक्स ने कहा है आप जितना फॉरेस्ट बनाइए मैं आपको पैसे दूंगा।
वाह।
और एक फॉरेस्ट के पीछे 50,000 से 1 लाख रुपए खर्चा है, तो वो मैं महिंद्रा से ले लूंगा। लोकल अगर आपके सोसाइटी में जगह है, पार्क है, गार्डन है, गिव मी 1000 स्क्वायर फीट एरिया ऑफ स्पेस विच हैज एनफ सनलाइट एंड यू शुड हैव एनफ वाटर, क्योंकि पानी भी हम लोग ग्रे वाटर यूज करेंगे, फ्रेश वाटर नहीं यूज करेंगे। दिस प्लेस शुड बी 20 feet away from the main building wall and my team will come and implement this mini forest with your association. Please help me to find space and let us grow our own
Ekta
personal
Garden.
forest.
yeah, in Ekta
Ekta
Garden,
you can do it.
we have 2 acres of land.
Yeah.
In RTO road. So I am the secretary of Ekta Federation. Come down sometime and let us
Done,
see
sir.
what
I
best.
think that will be the beginning. That will be the starting point is Ekta Garden.
Definitely,
जैसे
definitely.
आपने बोला लैंड का, मुझे immediately Ekta Garden ही याद आया.
Yes.
Lata ma'am, you are my best friend.
Oh, nice. Thank you. I love to be your friend.
Thank you ma'am.
So where you stay, Subhajit?
I'm in Malad
Malad.
and आप कभी भी बोलिए, मैं रेडी हूँ, गाड़ी में बैठूंगा, पहुंच जाऊंगा, फोटो लूंगा एंड सारा सामान पहुंचा दूंगा एंड देन वी विल डू द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन टुगेदर। क्योंकि सोसाइटी का माली और 2-4 लोग मिलके जब इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, दे कनेक्ट टू इट, दे अंडरस्टैंड कि ये हो क्या रहा है। एंड मेरा आइडिया ये नहीं कि मैं हजारों बनाऊं, मैं एक बनाऊं ताकि फिर बाकी सब लोग एक एक अपने
Replicate
लाइफ
कर.
में भी बनाए। यस,
Definitely,
तो
definitely.
let us do this together, and please help me because it's a very serious campaign that we are into. Social distance maintain करते हुए हम करेंगे, and we'll make sure that we have forest in our life. हम बार बार forest नहीं जा सकते, मेरे पास उतना पैसा भी नहीं कि मैं एम्बी
अब
वैली में
बम्बई
घर
को एम्बी
खरीदूं.
वैली,
सॉरी लता जी.
बम्बई को एम्बी वैली बना दो, जितने ग्रीन
बस
एम्बी
बस
वैली
oh,
है, बस
as I
बम्बई को.
said, she is my best friend, all of you to know.
So,
So let's bring Ambi Valley to Mumbai.
Exactly, make Mumbai Ambi Valley.
so we fortunately we have this national protected forest right in the city, metro city,
Metro.
which is one of the unique feature of Mumbai, I will say.
Exactly.
And we have to be very protective and vigilant, because there are various unscrupulous elements already. Many residential complexes are built inside that, so you have to be very vigilant to protect that. So anyway, I think thank you very much for your excellent speech, Subhajit ji. And I
Some
know many of
questions.
the people who are attending this, they have a lot of questions, including myself. So I will start this question answer session by a question from myself. See, you talked about percolation pits and groundwater recharge, but there is one argument, as you must be also knowing from the citizens of Mumbai, that in Mumbai there is the salty water very close to the ground level. So what is the use of those percolation pits? Because ultimately it is going to mix with the seawater. So they say that our thrust should be on the,
Drinking water.
catching with the help of RCC tanks or whatever, store it and use it for flushing or something like that. So what is your take on this?
See, catching the water and using it is one aspect where there is acute water shortage. Mumbai, thanks to BMC, we actually do not have any water shortage. We get enough quantity of water needed, just that we are wasting more than 10% of water, and 10% is the water shortage that we, I would say, that we are made to face. So that sometimes we realize what is the importance of water. Secondly, because of concretization, the subsoil water is getting infused and infected and suppressed with salty water. Salty water entering our lands is destroying our trees. We used to have so many mango trees on the seaside. I'm referring to 1 kilometer belt of all the seaside that we have. From the beach, take 1 kilometer. We have lost most of the neem trees which are under this belt, because seawater is entering the ground, and that is the biggest disaster that we are facing today. We have to allow fresh water to penetrate into the ground. It's a war between seawater, salt water, and fresh water. More fresh water going inside, it will push the seawater back. That is a very important scenario which we are not understanding, but the life on the ground will not survive if there is no fresh water. The moisture, the seawater becomes much hotter than fresh water. If the soil is salty, the surface temperature will be 4 to 5 degrees more than what you can think of. You see, that is one of the reasons हम लोग बालू पे पैर नहीं रख पाते, बहुत जल्दी गर्म हो जाता है. So it's a war going on, which we are not seeing, which is underground. We have to help to restore what it is supposed to be. We also need to pressurize the land with a lot of fresh water, hold the water, make check dams. That's why, thanks to BMC again, there are 29 check dams which will be made on Miti rivers in next 2 years to hold the water so that water penetrates into the ground for at least 6 months. That will be a big support. So every society, we also need a percolation pit, not just because for our consumption. वो तो BMC ने अच्छा काम कर लिया, हर चीज हर जगह पाइप लगा दिया है, हर चीज में बिलिंग कर ही दिया है. इट्स अ मनी मेकिंग प्रोसेस. सॉरी, मुझे उनके अगेंस्ट में नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बट दैट्स द फैक्ट. सो वो तो फर्स्ट क्लास. आप उनको फोन कीजिए, वो बोलेंगे 5 लाख रुपए और दो, आपका जो पानी का शॉर्टेज है वो पूरा हो जाएगा, आपको एक बड़ा वाला पाइप लगा के दे दूंगा. सो यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी. अरे वाह, 5 लाख रुपए दिया और काम हो गया. तो अथॉरिटीज आर हैप्पी, दे आर हियर टू मेक मनी. उनको भी बहुत सारे खर्चे हैं. बट यस, nature wise, environmentally, I hope I could answer your question, sir.
Yes.
Because मैं एक चीज कभी ज्यादा खींच देता हूँ, मेरे कभी रोक दिया कीजिए कि बहुत हो गया, अभी Next, let's take the next question.
सर आप बोल रहे थे कि सॉल्ट वाटर के वजह से नीम ट्रीज और ये सब खराब हो जाते हैं, तो वहाँ
Most of the fruiting trees other than coconut,
coconut, I was just going to say that you can have more of coconut trees than there.
other than coconut, बाकी भी तो जरूरी है. Coconut is only for specific people, but what will happen to the birds? What will happen to other squirrels and fruits?
Right.
अगर fruit bearing trees हैं, उसमें अगर नमकीन पानी होता है, सबसे पहले उनका fruits आना बंद हो जाता है.
Correct.
What will happen to all the other living beings? हम तो खरीद सकते हैं, उनके पास तो पैसा भी, उनको पता ही नहीं पैसा का क्या यूज करो, वो भी खा जाते हैं उनको.
So conserving water is conserving nature.
It is conserving us. Who
Yeah,
cares for the nature? हमें अपने आप को बचाना जरूरी है.
Yes, Nayan ji has a question, I think.
Yes, I have a question which I have put it on the chat also.
Sir,
See, we have a lot of waterlogging. And the waterlogging takes place because on the high tide, the water doesn't get into the sea.
yes.
Is it not possible for us to plan something with the help of BMC to divert all this water that comes in and make either a huge underground tank or take it towards a artificial lake that you can build? Because there's so much of water which is going waste, gets muddy, spreads diseases. Okay, so if we have say you have Hind Mata, which is perennially underwater, and we lay one from here to there. So I think we should tap that, because Bombay is full of old buildings where you cannot have rainwater harvesting, to the best of my knowledge. I'm
Yeah.
staying in one building which is 85 years old, and we have no space even to park a car or a bicycle.
Exactly. Nayan ji, thank you so much for bringing this topic up. In fact, इस बारे में मैं बोलना चाहता था. Water logging is it is a people's property. It's not an individual property. होता क्या है? Let's talk about 1 square kilometer where the water is all accumulating, but that water does not belong to that 1 square kilometer. It belongs to more than 10 or 20 or 30 square kilometer. मतलब मेरा पानी भी आपका है, प्राची जी का पानी भी आपका है, लता जी का भी पानी आपका है, विलास जी का भी पानी आपका है. So it's all flowing to one places. So step number 1, जिसका पानी है आप अपने पास रखो. घर का पानी घर में, सोसाइटी का पानी सोसाइटी में, मैदान का पानी मैदान में. योर वाटर योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दैट इज टॉपिक नंबर 1. Please catch the water that is coming on your land and hold it with you. We don't need it. That will minimize the water logging. Second, tank, as you recommended, is the magic thing that has happened in Singapore, where they are able to store twice their requirement of water by making these tanks. And thank you, BMC and Environment Ministry, where we are making 4 of these tanks in Mumbai. In next 1.5 years, it will be ready. चाहे आप ओवल मैदान की बात कीजिए, चाहे आप शिवाजी मैदान की बात कीजिए, इन सब के नीचे टैंक्स बनाने का काम शुरू हो गया है. We are getting lot of criticism from citizens कि लोग पागल हो गए हैं, जमीन खोद के टंकी बना रहे हैं, but they are all like 500 million and 250 million liters of water that can be stored. So tank is a very important and a proven thing that we have just started, but immediately हम हर तरफ नहीं कर सकते. We are starting with areas जहाँ पे जल्दी से implement किया जा सके, so that we show good results and then people will replicate. So definitely we are working on tanks, sir, and I really hope कि जो लोग criticize कर रहे हैं वो जब एक बार दो बार जब देख लेंगे इस जगह का, इसका importance, तब they will love it. And जिस तरीके से hanging garden is also a tank, so we need mini hanging garden in every ward of Mumbai, and that's what we are trying to focus with the help of BMC. I mean, इकबाल सर का सल्यूट मैं बोलना चाहूँगा. उन्होंने इतना सारा challenges होते हुए भी उन्होंने okay बोल दिया, and we are implementing it right now. Thanks to Aditya ji also for this. वो नहीं होते तो ये okay ही नहीं हो पाता.
I'm happy to see that somebody is really praising BMC, because हमारी तो आदत है BMC को हमेशा गाली देने की. BMC कुछ नहीं करता, BMC बेकार है, BMC ये. You are the first person I've seen who's praising BMC and bringing to light what BMC is doing good work.
बचपन में मुझे हर हफ्ते मुर्गा बनाया जाता था स्कूल में, एंड बाद में पता चला मुर्गा बनाते थे तभी मैं पढ़ाई करता था, नहीं तो पढ़ता भी नहीं था. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हम बीएमसी को हर हफ्ते मुर्गा बनाए, नहीं तो वो काम नहीं करेंगे।
सर आपको नहीं लगता है कि ये जो बिल्डिंग्स में सब आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि आपकी सोसाइटी में ये होना चाहिए, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं पिट बनाइए, तो देयर शुड बी सम direction from the BMC and then some strictures to see that the buildings do it, because आजकल के लोगों को क्या है, सोसाइटी को बोलो तो बोलेगा हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है फालतू के काम के लिए, so there should be certain regulations come in which sort of drive towards these things to be done. सब NGOs में तो नहीं छोड़ सकते, अभी काफी रोटेरियंस आज बड़े जोश में आ जाएंगे, हम ये कर लेंगे, हम वो कर लेंगे, 2 दिन के बाद सब ठंडे हो जाएंगे।
तो मैं आपको एक लता जी, आपको ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड, ये कोई रिकॉर्ड मत कीजिएगा, रिकॉर्डिंग छोड़ दीजिए, मैं आपको एक बड़ा नया चीज बताता हूँ। द लॉ बुक सेज दैट 2007 के बाद जितने भी हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज बने हैं वहाँ रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कंपलसरी है।
Yes, yes, I know that. I know that.
लेकिन हमने वहाँ पार्किंग लॉट बना दिया। आधे लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम है। कई लोगों ने कहा कि ये जो बनाया है ये शायद कंपोस्टिंग के लिए है। सो पीपल डिड नॉट नो। सो पहला एक्शन आइटम, आप 1916 पे कॉल कीजिए और कंप्लेन कर दीजिए कि इन्होंने अपना रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम बंद करके पार्किंग लॉट बना दिया।
उसी मत दीजिए ना बिल्डर को, जब तक वो बना पहले नहीं बनाता है।
लेट मी एक्सप्लेन, जब बिल्डिंग बनाता है तब रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग बनाया जाता है, नहीं तो उसको उसी मिलेगा नहीं। तो 2007 के बाद जितने भी बिल्डिंग बने हैं उसमें रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग सिस्टम है, बट हमने उसको मेंटेन नहीं किए हैं। इट इज कंपलसरी बाय लॉ, लेकिन हमने उसको ढाक दिया है। हमें वहां पे पार्किंग लॉट, क्योंकि 10 लाख रुपए का पार्किंग लॉट है, कैसे जाने दें, कौन मेंटेन करेगा। तो डू मी अ फेवर, कॉल 1916, वहाँ कंप्लेन कीजिए, बीएमसी आके 50,000 का फाइन लगाएगी, बीएमसी को भी इनकम होगा, हमें भी अच्छा लगेगा कि चलो फाइन लगा है। उनको 3 महीने का नोटिस दिया जाएगा कि आप इसको ठीक करके रखिए, नहीं तो दोबारा 50,000 का उसको फाइन लगेगा। सो लेट अस डू दिस कैंपेन। ये तो मैं हर जगह बोलता भी हूँ कि 1916 पे कंप्लेन जरूर रिकॉर्ड कीजिए। आपको नाम देने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप बोल सकते हैं कि मैं अमिताभ बच्चन बोल रहा हूँ एंड दिस इज द कंप्लेन आई हैव फॉर यू। दे विल गिव यू अ कंप्लेन नंबर एंड यू कैन गो अहेड विद द प्रोसेस। बहुत मजेदार काम है ये। चाहे ट्री को
मैं भी ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड बोलता हूँ कि कंप्लेंट देने के बाद रेन वाटर सिस्टम इम्प्लीमेंट होगा कि वो बीएमसी ऑफिसर का इनकम बढ़ेगा?
सर बीएमसी ऑफिसर का इनकम बढ़ेगा, वो भी तो हमारे फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स ही हैं, एंड थोड़ा बहुत बीएमसी के खाते में भी पैसा जाएगा। बट जब हर 3 महीने में फाइन लगना शुरू होगा ना,
बिकॉज़ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स आर वेरी हैप्पी इफ सम कंप्लेंट कम्स।
यस, दैट्स द थिंग। पहले 200 रुपए का फाइन था मास्क पे, लोग सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे, तभी 500 रुपए का हो गया, 1000 रुपीज का होगा। स्पिटिंग पे 1200 रुपए होने वाला है मंडे से।
स्पिटिंग में तो 2000 होना चाहिए।
बस लता जी इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड।
नहीं, जब भी ऑटो में जाती हूँ तो ऑटो वाले को मैं पीछे से एक डंडा मारती हूँ, बिकॉज ही इज ड्राइविंग एंड देन ही इज स्पिटिंग। मैं बोला यार तुमको समझ में नहीं आता है कि हम सफाई कर रहे हैं और तुम उसको गंदा करके थूक रहे हो बार बार। These are the auto fellows are the worst criminals for this, you know.
So many, not only auto, there are so many.
Most of them, that is what we see, what we come across.
No, but Subhaji ji, my experience with BMC is also very positive. Whatever platforms they have created for complaints, like 1916 you said, there is a platform for potholes, there is a platform for footpath, broken footpaths. As soon as we complain that there is a, drainage is open drainage. If you complain within 48 hours, they have come and repaired it. 99%.
Great.
Without any,
you,
now
sir.
there is no bribe, there is no extra income for the officer who is coming and doing.
आगे BMC वाला कोई होना चाहिए था यहाँ।
Can I come in?
Yes, Ajay ji, come in.
Okay, Subhajit, I have one thing definitely to say about 1916 is a very useful number. I've been using it for the last 10 years, practically. And there is another number which I use at a late night is 108.
Mm-hmm.
That is also very helpful for emergency situations.
Okay.
That works. Secondly, as you mentioned, and we all know that since 2007 onwards, all the societies which are constructed should have the rain harvesting, water harvesting facilities, etc. But can we not have a system where we can have a daily, how much water you have used or recycled and all kind of things on a daily basis collected from the people? Can we create an app on that?
BMC has come up with these proposals जिसमें अभी तक हर वार्ड से अप्रूवल नहीं आया है. We are making water metering important for individuals, compulsory for individuals. This water metering is not just one way but two way. एक है कि आप कितने, it's like a bank
Yeah.
account, आपने कितना पानी लिया और कितना वापस दिया. The more water you give back, आपका टैक्स फ्री हो जाएगा. In the sense, the story is very simple. आपके घर में पानी आ रहा है BMC का,
Yeah.
आप पानी यूज कीजिए, वेरी गुड. लेकिन पानी जितना बाहर जा रहा है सीवेज से, उसमें आपको पैसा देना पड़ेगा. इनकमिंग इज फ्री, आउटगोइंग में आपको पैसा देना पड़ेगा. वन मोर थिंग, आप पानी यूज कीजिए, बाहर जाने दीजिए, बट इट द सेम क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर यू आर एबल टू पुश इनटू द ग्राउंड एज पर्कुलेशन, आपको पैसा नहीं देना पड़ेगा. सो
So when is
सोसाइटी
this scheme coming in?
It is coming in quickly. I mean, it's just COVID के चक्कर में मेरा सारा काम रुका हुआ है सर. मैं क्या बताऊं, दिमाग खराब हो गया है मेरा. But this will give an opportunity to all the housing society to have nil water bill.
No,
आप जितना ले रहे हैं उतना वापस दे दीजिए नेचर को. We don't need water bill from.
No, I can appreciate that what you're talking. That's definitely a sea change and a phenomenal approach, different approach, out of box thinking to make people think that they have to conserve water. Definitely.
So it's like a bank account. आप जितना ले रहे हैं उतना वापस दे दीजिए, खुश रहिए. आपने लोन लिया, वापस दे दिया.
Similar
We don't
to
need
so-
interest.
solar energy to some extent.
Shubhajit, I have one question. Like
Because-
every housing society will have four आपका borewell, right? Out of the
Yes.
3-4 borewell, one is using, others are probably defunct, not working. So can we push the excess water down through the unused borewell? वैसा possible है क्या?
Sir, there are two types of borewells. One is dead borewell and another is dry borewell. Dead borewells are those जो आप जब खड्डा किए थे पानी आया ही नहीं, उसमें आप आराम से छत का पानी डाइवर्ट कर दीजिए, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम. ड्राई बोरवेल इज समथिंग जो पहले पानी था, आज पानी नहीं है. मे बी आपका वाटर लेवल और अंदर जो ग्राउंड वाटर एक्वाफर का लेवल है मैच नहीं कर रहा है. पीपल आर ब्रेनलेस. लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर सॉरी, आई एम नॉट सपोज टू यूज सच वर्ड्स. पीपल आर ऑल अमेजिंग. समटाइम्स वी मिस सर्टेन पॉइंट्स कि हमें पॉइजनस वाटर जमीन के अंदर नहीं डालना चाहिए, हमें फर्टिलाइजर का पानी अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए खेत का, रोड में जो ऑयल कंटेंट है वो अंदर नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो वी मेक सम सिली मिस्टेक्स एंड गलती से ऐसे बहुत सारे पॉइजनस वाटर बोरवेल के पाइप के थ्रू सीधा एक्वाफर में पहुंच जाता है एंड विच कंटेमिनेट्स द एंटायर लैंड. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाफ ऑफ हरियाणा इज कंटेमिनेटेड. 25% of 26 to 27% of Punjab groundwater is contaminated with fertilizers. तो ये mistakes को avoid करने के लिए we always hand it over to the authorities, to the municipality to decide कि यहाँ पे percolation कैसे होगा. But indirect percolation by making these percolation pits around the borewell, not connecting it to the borewell pipe. आपने जैसे डेफिनेशन वो फोटो में देखा होगा, बोरवेल पाइप बीच में है, उसके चारों तरफ हमने परकुलेशन प्रमोट करने के लिए पिट बनाया है, ना कि बोरवेल में छेद किया है. तो डायरेक्ट रिचार्ज नो, इनडायरेक्ट रिचार्ज विद द हेल्प ऑफ परकुलेशन पिट इज अ विन विन. आप जहां चाहे बनाइए, जब चाहे बनाइए. I hope I could answer your question.
Yeah, you answered one more question. Like there is a concept of grey water. So आप जो फ्लश में 30% हम लोग डालते हैं BMC में, what we can kitchen and जो हमारे नहाने का पानी है, we can recycle that water and use it for the purpose of flush and jet. So ये recycling का concept, why don't we, is that possible? Because that
there are two types of water in grey water. One is the sewage water and another is the non-sewage water. Sewage water recycling is very expensive, lot of trickiness and lot of testing is needed. After all, हम लोग का greatest creation है वो. And non-sewage water, when it comes to kitchen water, when it
Bathing
comes to
water.
bath water, yeah, brush water, वो सब पानी आप कलेक्ट करके बेसिक फिल्टरेशन के साथ आप दोबारा फ्लशिंग पर्पस के लिए यूज कीजिए, एंड दैट इज नीड ऑफ द आवर। और मुंबई का जैसे में भी ग्राउंड वाटर सॉल्ट्री है, आप उसको बोरवेल बना के, शैलो बोरवेल बनता है, 100 फीट में ही पानी है, यहाँ पानी यूज कीजिए अपने। एक अलग से फ्लश टैंक के लिए एक डिफरेंट टैंक होना चाहिए फ्लशिंग के लिए, एंड that is compulsory in all the new housing societies after 2011.
नहीं, but sir, the problem is those housing societies which are before 2011 or before 2006, there is no system of making it compulsory. Grey water is getting wasted. People can easily use this grey water. Can we make this compulsory? Because societies are very reluctant to spend any money for this type of work.
I agree sir, जबरदस्ती नहीं कर सकता, गवर्नमेंट चली जाएगी, ऐसे ही तीन पहिए का गवर्नमेंट है। डिफिकल्ट है, मोदी जी भी ये नहीं कर पाएंगे, कोई भी नहीं कर सकता। हम लोगों को प्रेशराइज नहीं कर सकते। व्हेन दे सी रिडक्शन इन देयर वाटर बिल्स, दे विल फील मोटिवेटेड। ये चीज करने के लिए 5% अगर आप वाटर रीयूज कर रहे हैं, ऑलरेडी म्युनिसिपैलिटी 5% टैक्स रिबेट दे रही है प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स पे। सो एक चीज और भी हो सकता है, आपके हेल्प से, आप सबके हेल्प से, इफ वी कैन प्रमोट दिस 15% टैक्स रिबेट, 5% फॉर रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग, 5% फॉर वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड 5% फॉर ग्रे वाटर मैनेजमेंट, ऐसा कुछ है, रिसाइकलिंग, कंपोस्ट वगैरह बनाइए, ड्राई वेट वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट।
Together it is 5% for
total 15%.
rain water harvesting and wastewater recycle 5%. उसमें से आधा 2.5% is for rainwater harvesting.
Yes.
And 2.5% is grey water recycle or sewage recycle.
Yes, sir.
5% is for dry waste recycle and
Yes,
5% for wet waste composting. Like that, it is 15%.
तो ये 15% का अगर हम प्रपोजल लेके चले मिलन जी,
Yeah.
to all the housing society as a campaign by BMC and Rotary Club, कि हम लोग ये 15% हम लोग क्यों नहीं ले रहे हैं? Are we so rich that we don't need this 15%? ऐसा तो है नहीं. It's a lot of money. So we have to put it as a campaign जो लोगों को पता ही नहीं.
Yes, I agree with you.
Even that
No,
can
even
be a very
this,
important campaign for all of us.
The saving of this amount can be again used for maintaining this project, whatever we do.
सर 5 से 6 साल में रिकवर हो जाता है जितना भी आप खर्चा कर रहे हैं।
No, it is to sell anything to housing societies is the most toughest job. So many corporates don't enter housing societies. No.
Yes.
Yeah, no housing societies, their AGMs, special AGMs. So they take a lot of time in taking decisions. So another thing regarding this rainwater harvesting, I heard that recently government has banned this floor rainwater harvesting. Only rooftop is allowed. So what is your take on this?
It is a selfish approach of certain municipal corporations जो चाहते हैं कि मेरा वाटर बिल कम ना हो जाए उनका, तो उन लोग मना किए हैं कि भाई आप प्लीज पानी को पर्टिकुलर टाइप से ही रेन वाटर हार्वेस्ट कीजिए। एंड आई रियली होप कि ये रूल जल्दी से जल्दी बदल जाए। हर साल मीटिंग होता है एंड सच रूल्स विल नॉट सर्वाइव फॉर लॉन्ग। डेफिनेटली ये चला जाएगा। एंड दिस इज लोकल मैटर ऑफ स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, नॉट अ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। Few of the states are having such sorry मुझे अजीब वर्ड्स नहीं यूज करने चाहिए, सॉफ्ट वर्ड क्या बोलूं। Few of the states are more selfish about such rules, but I hope कि उन लोग selfishness कम करेंगे और environment के बारे में सोचेंगे।
Even BMC, if you are doing this percolation pit, they are not giving any discount in property tax.
Yes, उनका कहना है कि ये बहुत ही सस्ता तरीका है इसके लिए प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स का रिबेट का रीजन ये है कि आप बहुत ज्यादा खर्चा कर रहे हैं। एनी प्रोजेक्ट दैट टेक्स मोर देन 2 लाख एंड अबव दे लाइक टू गिव यू सम रिबेट्स, और उनके पैसे बच रहे हो। इसमें तो उनके पैसे बच नहीं रहे, इनफैक्ट उनको लॉस हो रहा है।
They want you to store it and recycle it, then only they will give you that 2.5%.
Exactly. But ठीक है, at least something is better.
Okay, so I think we have extended this period of question answer a lot.
Exactly.
And I think as per Rotary protocol, we should be sticking to our schedule. So now I request Lataji, to do the honors of vote of thanks.
सुब्रजीत जी, आपको वोट ऑफ थैंक्स देने की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि जितने सवाल जिन लोगों ने पूछे, एक एक सवाल आपका वोट ऑफ थैंक्स था वो, क्योंकि सब लोग समझना चाहते हैं आप क्या कर रहे हैं। I would first like to compliment you on your weight reduction. आपको जो मैंने लास्ट देखा था, जो मैं अभी आपको देख रही हूँ, कम से कम आपने 8 किलो वजन कम किया है, मैं कह सकती हूँ.
अरे बाप रे.
So that is wonderful, and your language is so simple. It is so sweet. It goes direct to the heart. आपने बोला ना आप बड़े बड़े प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दे सकते हैं, आप ये नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आप जो करते हैं, जो आप दिल से बोलते हैं, वो सीधा दिल तक जाता है. So I think please maintain the way you are doing things. Don't go to digital. Don't try to do PPT और कुछ मत कीजिए. आपकी वो simple drawing और आपकी मीठी आवाज दिल तक पहुंच गई सबके. तो वो शुक्रिया आपका उसके लिए. आप क्या यूपी में रहे हैं? आपके मुखर्जी होके आपकी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी होना भी बहुत आश्चर्यजनक है मुझे. आप कहाँ रहे हैं?
Fortunately, I am graduate from Allahabad University. And,
I got it. आपकी हिंदी इतनी शुद्ध है, उसका एक्सेंट आपका एक तो जो बंगाली एक्सेंट आता है वो बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, और हिंदी बड़ी ही शुद्ध है. मैं यूपी की होके आपकी हिंदी की बहुत कदर कर रही हूँ, तो शुक्रिया उसके लिए भी.
so kind
You
of.
are a very humble human being, a very gentle human being, and a very, I think, देशभक्त हैं आप. सब कुछ छोड़ दो, लेकिन आप एक देशभक्त हैं. जैसे काम आप कर रहे हैं और जो काम आप कर रहे हैं, वो एक तरह के देशभक्ति ही है. लड़ाई करना जाके एक देशभक्ति नहीं होती है. सोल्जर बनना ही जरूरत नहीं है. यू आर अ ह्यूमन सोल्जर राइट ऑन at the ground level and helping at the ground level. So thank you so much for whatever you are doing. For मैं इन चीजों में नहीं जाऊंगी कि आपने क्या क्या बताया, कैसे कैसे करने का, सबने वो सुन लिया, वो रिपीट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन मैं हाथ जोड़ के आपका शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ. आप यहाँ आए, आपने हमको इतनी मीठी बातें सुनाई. Normally this topic is a very boring topic and I would not have sat through this for more than an hour. But आपका जो कहने का तरीका था, जो समझाने का तरीका था, वो इतना अच्छा और शुद्ध था कि वो दिल को छू गया और मैं यहाँ से उठ नहीं पाई. तो शुक्रिया. I'm sure that everybody sitting here must have enjoyed everything. Sameer is nodding his head. Yes, Sameer Tamhane. I think nobody recognized you. I'm recognizing you. And I think each one of us have taken a lot of takeaways from here. कितना हम कर पाएंगे, कितना हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये आज मैं नहीं कह सकती हूँ. मोटिवेशन बहुत आता है, लेकिन 2 दिन के बाद वो मोटिवेशन पानी की तरह निकल जाता है. तो अगर हम एक आपके साथ मिलके एक योजना बना के अगर काम करेंगे, तो ये काम हम काफी आगे ले जा सकते हैं. रोटरी पे सिर्फ आप मत छोड़िए, लेकिन आप रोटरी के साथ मिलके हमें एक वे फॉरवर्ड दिखाइए, एक योजना बनाइए, जो एक मतलब वेरी सिस्टमैटिकली वी कैन टेक दीज थिंग्स. छोटी छोटी चीजों से शुरू करके हम बड़ी बड़ी चीजों तक जाएं, और जितना हम खुद कर सकते हैं, बीएमसी को भी छोड़ दो, गवर्नमेंट को भी छोड़ दो, सुभजीत जी और रोटेरियंस कितना मिलके काम कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक क्योंकि हम लोग बड़ी बड़ी बातें रोटरी में बहुत करते हैं, एनवायरमेंट, स्वच्छ मुंबई, ये सब, लेकिन ये जो छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, किस पे किसी का ध्यान नहीं जाता है. तो इस पहले आपके माध्यम से हमने सीखा, आज सुना, आज अभी सीखा भी नहीं है, खाली सुना. अब इसको आप आगे कैसे लेके जाए, इसका आप एक राह दिखा दीजिए हमें कि हाउ टू टेक इट फॉरवर्ड. I know you are doing work with certain Rotary clubs, but जितने रोटेरियंस यहाँ बैठे हैं, काफी क्लब्स हैं आज, हर एक अगर एक छोटा सा भी प्रोजेक्ट लेगा, तो I think we can take this to a very very long way it can go. So again, thank you very much for being with us. Thank you for all that you have said, all that you are doing, and we hope that you go very forward. आप बहुत ऊंचे मकाम तक पहुंचे, जहां आप और ज्यादा काम कर सकें और भारत माता की सेवा और ज्यादा कर सके. थैंक यू.
बढ़िया लता जी, क्या एक्सलेंट आपने वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दिए. एंड आई सैल्यूट टू योर sharp intellect. You could recognize the weight reduction, you could recognize the UP accent. क्या बात है. आपको CBI में या CID में जाना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से.
अभी तो मैं BMC में जाने का सोच रही हूँ.
Okay, and I am extremely happy that because of this event we are getting others from Rotarians from various Rotary clubs. So before ending, I would like to recognize Jyoti Gandhi ji from Rotary Club of Bombay, Kandiuli. I think she's the president. Hi, Jyoti ji.
She just left because we had another meeting.
Okay.
Kalpana is here.
Kalpana Menon ji is also there. I think Kalpana ji, thank you very much for attending this event.
1 मिनट के लिए झलक दिखा दीजिए कि हम सब आपकी फोटो ले सके. जितने ऑफ द कैमरा है, प्लीज ऑन द कैमरा आ जाइए कि हम आपकी फोटो ले सकें. कल्पना जी, प्लीज कम ऑन द कैमरा.
I cannot come. I am not dressed up, just in very rough clothes.
अरे
Okay.
आपको शादी में नहीं जाना है, आपको खाली फोटो लेनी है.
Okay. But
Yes, yes. Have a
okay.
dupatta around you and just come on the camera. We would like to take a
Yes,
photo.
Kalpana ji, thank you very much for attending.
Shailesh,
Yeah.
Ajay, everybody,
Shivaji,
please.
please.
Ajay, Radha,
Yogin, Sahil,
Jayant is
Ajay,
not
Radha,
there, I think.
Shailesh,
everybody, please come on
Yogen
the.
bhai,
Meera has just come on the camera now.
Girish.
I'm in
Girish
my
Vengankar.
car.
Okay,
Doesn't
okay,
matter.
fine.
Doesn't matter even if you're in the car.
Jayant, I
Who's
think
in the car?
You are
What
into
about Girish?
redevelopment, so you might have got various ideas.
Yes,
about
yes,
rainwater
yes,
harvesting.
yes,
What
yes,
about
yes,
Girish?
yes.
Is it Girish Vengankar? No, no. Who's that? Girish.
No, that is not Girish Vengankar.
Girish-
That's
Okay,
another.
he has
Girish-
given very good knowledge.
Girish Karandikar.
Okay.
Girish Karandikar.
Karandikar,
Yeah.
Karandikar.
Okay.
Yeah, Girish Karandikar is the treasurer of the order.
Ajay is left out. Ajay is left out.
Girish from which club?
Ajay just
Shivaji
left, I
Park.
think.
Shivaji
Shivaji
Park.
He's there. He's there.
Yeah,
Ajay is
This
there.
Shivaji Park and Mahim, they do lovely work in this system.
I
you know?
envy the people who are staying in Shivaji Park. No, that is the best area in Mumbai, I will say.
फ्लैट दिला दूं क्या वहाँ आपको?
Ouchat Saab was there. Ouchat Saab. He was
Yeah.
there from.
He was there.
But
Yeah.
Milind, your Ekta Garden is also a beautiful place to stay. Don't forget that. The greenery
Yeah,
that you
but that
have
is very tiny, as you know.
doesn't.
And Shivaji Park is
Don't
very
be greedy. जितना है उससे
इतना
संतुष्ट रहिए.
historical place है ना, Savarkar Garden बाजू में है.
Yes, yes.
Seashore is there,
हमारा बचपन वहाँ गुजरा. हम लोग भी वहाँ क्रिकेट खेलते थे लड़कियों
and
में.
all those Maharashtra Ekikaran Samiti, all those historical Acharya Atre, and that is
Yes.
Baba
superb.
Saheb Ambedkar, so
There
many
are two
great
places
people.
within this. What I like, one is Shivaji Park, one is
Sachin
Matunga Fine
Tendulkar.
Gardens.
Sachin Tendulkar is also
Sachin
playing there.
Tendulkar, yes, that is
Yeah.
Raj Thakre. So, very lovely place, I will say. And Darshan Kanani, can you introduce yourself?
मिलिंद जी, I apologize, मैं बीच में रोक रहा हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा एक switch करना है तुरंत. I'll catch all of you once again soon, and I hope to work with all of you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
100%.
Yes, Samir, you are from which club?
Sameer Tamhane.
Shivaji Park.
Shivaji,
Shivaji Park.
Shivaji.
We are
Most of the
five
people are
five
from
people from
Shivaji
Shivaji
Park.
Park.
So I think Shivaji Park and Kandivali Club, I think Green City should start some,
Yes, joint
projects.
project. We should sign a joint
Joint
project.
project of interest from these two clubs.
You're asking Darshan Karani.
As I said, we will definitely like to come at both these places.
Darshan, you can introduce yourself.
Lataji,
Darshan.
work out something, okay?
Yes, sure.
So
Shivaji Park and Mahim Club are very close to me.
yes.
अब ये सब नए बंदे हैं, ये मुझे नहीं जानते हैं, लेकिन जितने पुराने बंदे हैं वो सब मुझे जानते हैं.
Usha Session is, I think, from Mahim or Shivaji Park. I don't know. She was there in all pets and all those things.
Has our chief guest left? Is he left or what? No.
Yeah, he left. He left.
He has some another meeting.
Okay.
So, friends, our next lecture is by Yogenji Parikh on wastewater treatment, and that is also very much very important topic, because as Subhajit was just saying, if you are disposing less wastewater, you are going to get concession. So your water bill will be reduced to that extent. So Yogenji will guide you how to do it technically, so that you will not land problems later on. So please attend the next session in our Swachh Mumbai series also. And I hope all Rotarians from Rotary Club of Kandivali and Rotary Club
I think
of
from
Shivaji Park,
Kandivali we should learn how to make that forest also.
definitely.
Yes. Mivaki.
Mivaki,
Yeah. So that is very
Ah.
important aspect.
I
Yogenji
ask,
has got a very deep experience, worked with very big companies like environmental engineering.
Milind, when is
Jayant,
the
please
next
mute yourself,
session?
Jayant.
Yes.
Milind,
Jayant,
Yes.
please mute yourself.
when is the next session? Can you tell the date to everybody?
16th April, 23rd April, I'm sorry,
Ah.
23rd April,
Yes.
after 15 days, exactly after 2 weeks, Friday.
Every alternate Fridays we have a
Get
meeting.
this recording, which we can share with our club members.
Yes, it is recorded.
Where it will be shared.
मिलिंद एक फोटो ले लो पहले. नहीं
Yeah.
तो सब भाग जाएंगे. एक फोटो ले लो.
ले लिया मैंने.
एक लिया है? अच्छा,
अभी
मैंने
वापस
लिया।
ले लो because अभी योगन भाई अभी आए हैं.
Yeah, I taken the
योगन
photo.
भाई
I
the
taken the
photo.
Yeah, he's there.
Okay, fine.
Camera, like, make your videos on. Ready? 1, 2. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, friends. So I think, we want to talk so much, and, we have to stick to the protocol.
आजकल मिलना नहीं होता है तो बातें करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. You feel like talking because you're not meeting nowadays.
Very true, very true.
You
So,
really feel like talking to people.
so offline meetings, there are certain advantages. So this is the advantage that people from all the corners of, Mumbai and Saif is joining from Ambi Valley. So we could meet him.
Yes.
So that is the advantage of online meetings, and our efforts are focused on the proper things, no? So, nice. So now I request our
Thank you.
secretary and president-elect Daksha ji to present secretarial announcements.
Our attendance, can you hear me?
Yes.
Just mute everybody.
Our attendance is very nice. It is roughly around, it went to 30. And our next speaker meeting is on 23rd of April. And our keynote speaker is Yogen Parekh ji. As explained by Milind, what will be the content, I'm not repeating it. And last week, birthday celebrations, we had N.K. Shah, who celebrated his birthday on 6th April. And Rajesh Gajbi's birthday is coming up on 19th April. So in advance, we wish him a very happy birthday. Thank you, friends.
So thank you, friends. So I think we have covered all the points, and meeting is adjourned. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you all who
Thank you.
attended the meeting today.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Avinash. Thank you, Samir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sadhna.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Shailesh, thank you. Sorry, I couldn't recognize you, Shailesh.
He was not on the
शैलेश ने अभी मुंह दिखाया.
Yes.
इतना देर मुंह नहीं दिखा. Hi, Lata.
Hi, Radha.
Where is Shailesh Shetty?
Hi, Radha. Take care.
Hi. Yes, yes.
अभी आया जय अभी आया जय
शैलेश था लेकिन वो ऑफ द कैमरा